Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel Tour Travel, where we explore the most incredible destinations around the world. Today, get ready for an extraordinary journey as we venture into the vibrant and diverse country of Brazil. Buckle up and join me as we uncover the top 7 famous travel destinations in Brazil. Let's dive right in. Destination number 1. Rio de Janeiro. Our first stop takes us to the breathtaking city of Rio de Janeiro, known for its captivating beauty and vibrant energy. Rio, as locals affectionately call it, is a city that never sleeps, and it's easy to see why. Let's explore. Rio de Janeiro, situated along the mesmerizing Brazilian coastline, boasts stunning beaches, iconic landmarks, and a pulsating carnival atmosphere. It's a city that captivates the hearts of both locals and visitors alike. Steeped in history, Rio de Janeiro was the capital of Brazil until 1960. Its rich heritage is reflected in its architecture, with the historical district of Santa Teresa being a must-visit spot for history enthusiasts. When in Rio, you simply cannot miss the magnificent Christ the Redeemer statue, standing tall atop Corcovado Mountain. The panoramic view from here is awe-inspiring. Another must-see is the Sugarloaf Mountain, accessible by cable car, offering a breathtaking view of the city and its surrounding beauty. One of the most exhilarating experiences in Rio is attending the world-famous carnival. This vibrant event showcases samba parades, colorful costumes, and infectious music. It's an absolute feast for the senses. To make the most of your stay in Rio, indulge in the luxurious accommodations of the Copacabana Palace Hotel. And when it comes to food, be sure to try traditional Brazilian dishes like feijoada, a delicious black bean stew with various meats. Rio de Janeiro, with its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, truly deserves its place on our list. Whether you're relaxing on Copacabana Beach or sipping caipirinhas at a lively beachfront bar, this city will leave an everlasting impression on your heart. Destination number 2. Sao Paulo. Our next destination takes us to the bustling metropolis of Sao Paulo, a city that never fails to amaze its visitors with its unique charm and cosmopolitan vibes. Let's dive into the urban jungle. Sao Paulo, the largest city in Brazil, is a hub of culture, art, and gastronomy. Get ready to explore its impressive architecture, world-class museums, and incredible culinary scene. With a history dating back to the 16th century, Sao Paulo has grown from a small village to a vibrant city. Its heritage can be seen in the historic center, where architectural gems like the Sao Paulo Cathedral and the Municipal Theater stand tall. When in Sao Paulo, be sure to visit the iconic Paulista Avenue, a bustling street lined with skyscrapers, luxury shops, and renowned museums. Additionally, the bohemian neighborhood of Vila Madalena is a must-see, with its vibrant street art and trendy bars. Art enthusiasts will be thrilled by the Sao Paulo Museum of Art, MASP, which houses an impressive collection of European and Brazilian artwork. Don't forget to explore the lively street markets like Mercado Municipal, where you can savor mouth-watering local delicacies. For a truly unforgettable stay, consider the luxurious Emiliano Hotel, renowned for its impeccable service and stylish accommodations. And when it comes to food, Sao Paulo is a foodie's paradise, with diverse culinary options ranging from traditional Brazilian cuisine to international flavors. Sao Paulo, with its bustling streets, cultural riches, and culinary delights, offers a unique experience that blends tradition and modernity. From exploring renowned museums to indulging in the vibrant nightlife, this city promises an adventure like no other. Destination number 3. Salvador. Our next stop takes us to the colorful and culturally rich city of Salvador, where history, music, and spirituality intertwine. Get ready to be enchanted. Salvador, the capital of the Bahia state, is known for its Afro-Brazilian heritage, vibrant festivals, and stunning colonial architecture. Let's immerse ourselves in its charm. Salvador was the first capital of Brazil and played a crucial role in the country's history. It was the main port for African slaves and became a melting pot of cultures, resulting in a unique blend of traditions. A visit to Salvador would be incomplete without exploring the historic Pelourinho district. The colorful colonial buildings, cobblestone streets, and lively squares create an enchanting atmosphere. Don't miss the São Francisco Church, adorned with intricate gold leaf decorations. Experience the energy of Salvador by joining in on a traditional capoeira session or attending a vibrant street party. The city comes alive during the carnival, where you can witness thrilling parades and immerse yourself in the rhythmic beats of Afro-Brazilian music. For a luxurious stay, check out the Fera Palace Hotel, a restored Art Deco gem that offers stunning views of the city. When it comes to food, indulge in mouth-watering Bahian cuisine, such as acarajé, deep-fried ball of black-eyed pea dough filled with shrimp and spicy sauce. Salvador, with its captivating history, vibrant culture, and warm-hearted locals, is a city that will leave you spellbound. Whether you're exploring its colonial streets or dancing to the rhythms of samba, Salvador offers an immersive and unforgettable experience. Destination number 4. Manos. Prepare to be amazed as we venture into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, to the city of Manos. This unique destination offers an incredible blend of nature and urban charm. Manos, located in the middle of the Amazon rainforest, is the gateway to one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. Get ready for an adventure like no other. Manos was once a prosperous rubber boom town in the late 19th century, attracting wealth and grandeur. This is evident in the opulent Teatro Amazonas, a stunning opera house that stands as a symbol of the city's golden era. A visit to Manos is incomplete without exploring the Amazon rainforest. Embark on an unforgettable jungle tour, where you can spot wildlife, go on river cruises, and learn about the indigenous cultures that call this region home. Experience the magic of the Amazon by staying at a jungle lodge and immersing yourself in the pristine natural surroundings. Explore the flooded forests, go fishing for piranhas, or take a nocturnal walk to witness the mesmerizing sounds of the rainforest at night. For an authentic rainforest experience, consider staying at the Juma Amazon Lodge, located on the banks of the Juma River. As for food, savor the flavors of the Amazon with dishes like tacacá, a savory soup made from tucupi, dried shrimp, and jambu leaves. Manos, with its unique location at the heart of the Amazon rainforest, offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to connect with nature in its purest form. From exploring the lush jungle to witnessing the grandeur of the Teatro Amazonas, this city showcases the incredible diversity of Brazil. Destination number 5. Iguazu Falls. Get ready to be mesmerized by the sheer power and beauty of one of the world's most magnificent waterfalls, Iguazu Falls. Brace yourself for an unforgettable adventure. Located on the border between Brazil and Argentina, Iguazu Falls is a natural wonder that leaves visitors in awe. Prepare to be amazed by the thundering cascades and lush surroundings. The falls have a rich history and were first discovered by European explorers in the 16th century. They have since become a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts. To fully experience the grandeur of Iguazu Falls, explore the extensive trail system that takes you to various viewpoints. The highlight is the Devil's Throat, a massive U-shaped cascade that will leave you speechless. Take a boat ride along the Iguazu River for an up-close encounter with the falls. You'll feel the spray of the water and witness the raw power of nature. It's an exhilarating experience. For an immersive stay, consider the Belmond Hotel das Cataratas, the only hotel located within the national park. When it's time to dine, savor the flavors of the region with traditional Argentinian steaks and Brazilian churrasco. Iguazu Falls, with its awe-inspiring beauty and majestic power, is a destination that will leave you humbled by nature's wonders. From the breathtaking viewpoints to the exhilarating boat rides, this natural masterpiece will forever be etched in your memory. Destination number 6. Brazilia. Get ready to explore the modern marvel that is Brazilia, the capital of Brazil. This city showcases a unique blend of contemporary architecture, urban planning, and cultural richness. Brazilia, designed by renowned architect Oscar Niemeyer, is a city that pushes the boundaries of design and innovation. It's a testament to Brazil's forward-thinking approach and artistic expression. Brazilia was founded in 1960 and was a planned city, purposefully built to be the country's capital. Its architectural marvels have earned it a UNESCO World Heritage status. A visit to Brazilia should include a tour of the Three Powers Plaza, where you can witness the iconic National Congress, the Presidential Palace, and the Supreme Federal Court. The Metropolitan Cathedral of Brazilia is another must-see, with its unique architecture and stained glass designs. Explore the city's open spaces and parks, such as the City Park and the Brazilia National Park, which offer tranquil retreats amidst the urban landscape. Don't miss the opportunity to attend cultural events and exhibitions at the Cultural Complex of the Republic. For a luxurious stay, consider the Brazilia Palace Hotel, designed by Oscar Niemeyer himself. When it comes to dining, indulge in the city's vibrant food scene, offering everything from traditional Brazilian cuisine to international flavors. Brazilia, with its futuristic design, harmonious city planning, and cultural treasures, is a city that pushes the boundaries of innovation and creativity. From admiring the architectural masterpieces to exploring the lush green spaces, Brazilia offers a unique travel experience. Destination number 7. Florianópolis. Our final destination takes us to the captivating island city of Florianópolis, where sun, sand, and surf come together in perfect harmony. Get ready for a beach lover's paradise. Florianópolis, located in southern Brazil, is renowned for its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and laid-back lifestyle. It's a destination that will make you want to stay forever. Florianópolis has a rich history, influenced by Portuguese colonization and the indigenous cultures of the region. Today, it's a vibrant city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. When in Florianópolis, be sure to visit the stunning beaches like Praia Mole and Praia da Jacuína, which offer excellent surf conditions. Explore the historic center of the city, known as Florianópolis downtown, where you can admire colonial buildings and immerse yourself in the local culture. Indulge in outdoor activities like hiking, paragliding, or taking a boat tour to explore the surrounding islands. For a unique experience, visit the fishing village of Ribeirão da Ilha, known for its delicious seafood and charming atmosphere. For a beachfront stay, consider the Jurrier Beach Village, which offers stunning views and easy access to the beach. When it comes to food, sample the fresh seafood dishes, such as the famous fish stew known as macuaca. Florianópolis, with its picturesque beaches, vibrant culture, and outdoor adventures, is a destination that will steal your heart. Whether you're catching the perfect wave or enjoying a delicious seafood feast, this island city promises an unforgettable experience. And that's a wrap on our incredible journey through the top 7 famous travel destinations in Brazil. From the vibrant streets of Rio de Janeiro to the stunning beauty of Iguazu Falls and the island paradise of Florianópolis, Brazil has it all. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on our next adventure as we explore more breathtaking destinations around the globe. Until then, happy travels.